Welcome to our factory. Today we're taking you behind the scenes to see exactly how KitKat is made. It all starts with carefully selected cocoa beans, sugar, and milk powder, arriving fresh at the factory. Workers inspect and measure each ingredient to ensure top quality. The ingredients are blended in huge automated mixers, forming smooth, rich chocolate. Technicians monitor the process to keep the flavor and texture perfect. Crispy wafers are layered and coated with chocolate. The bars move along the conveyor lines, wrapped, sealed, and labeled at high speed. Every pack is carefully checked for quality before being loaded onto trucks for delivery to stores around the world. And that's how KitKat is made, from start to finish. Subscribe for more amazing factory tour.